Hello and welcome to another Tip Tuesday. Last week's tip focused on how we can access the PlayPosit app on Schoology. And today we're going to take a little bit of a break from our usual Schoology lessons and just focus on how we can actually create a video using PlayPosit because I think it's a really great tool in order to help your classroom with blended learning. So I already signed into my account and I'm going to design my video ball. So the way it works with PlayPosit is that you don't actually create the video on PlayPosit. You actually have to have it from either like a YouTube or whatever it may be. So if you would search, you could search for a specific type of video that you want. So in this case, I've searched for indirect characterization, and I want to focus on the steal method. So I'm going to click on this, and all you need to do is press share, and then you will get the URL for that YouTube video. Alternatively, if you want to create a video of yourself, let's say using slides or whatever, you can use it using Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify and uploading it to YouTube. So I'm going to press continue, and I'm going to call my lesson indirect characterization to learn about character analysis. Grade 6 to 8, subject is English, and video analysis. Okay, so what's going to happen now is on this left side this is where my video is going to be. I'm going to just pause it for a minute. Okay, so I want to basically, from the beginning, I want to add a question. And if I want to, you notice it. So the ones that are in blue are the ones that you get for free. These are ones that you get if you pay for the program. So I'm going to do a reflective pause, and I'm going to be, as you are watching this video, think about how you can apply this to characters in a book. Okay, and I'm going to press question at here. And if you'll notice now, there's a line that shows that there's now a question inserted there. Okay, so I placed it. Good. Now I'm going to continue. But yet it's still not working. Okay, sorry, I had to press save. So now over here also, you notice this shows me all the different questions that I've added. Okay, now I'm going to add a question. Okay, and now I'm going to add a multiple choice. What is Morgan thinking? Nothing. You should get flowers. Now, if I want to, I could also write enter exclamation, and then they can view that. And this is my correct answer. You should get flowers. I'm going to press play. If I want to, I could enter exclamation is good job. That's what they will see when they get the question right. And then if I put over here, sorry, he wants flowers. So the student will view this part only after they've completed the answer. So I could also add more answers, and press the question over here. I'm going to press save. So now I have 2 questions so far. Okay, so then let's maybe add another question. Now let's add a free response. Explain what you learned about your character from here. Okay, place question here. I'm going to save. Okay, now you clearly, I think at this point, can figure out what to do. So now I'm just going to finish the build, and I'm just going to save it. Either you could assign it to your classes, or I'm just going to press save because I'm not assigning it right now. This is my URL if I ever want to put it into my Schoology. Press dismiss. And now if I go into, this is the video that I just created. If I want to, I can either assign it to my different classes, which we talked about, assigning it, and then you click on when it's due. Or I can press share if I want to just merely give them the link. And then if I want to preview it, I could go to options and press preview. This will show you exactly what it looks like for the students. So you'll notice this tells me all the different times on the button. As you're watching this video, think about how you can apply this to your characters in our book. Good, and I'm going to press submit, and I'm going to press continue. And I know that this is going to be, I know from here that this is going to be my next time I'm going to have to pause is at 23 seconds. I'm just going to wait a minute until it's 23 seconds, or we're just going to try to, okay, submit. Now, if you remember, I put in feedback and I said, sorry, he wants flowers. If you remember, and I put the feedback for he should get flowers, good job. And this is it for here. And then here, I have to actually answer something in order to be able to continue. And that's it. And then you can just continue watching the video. And that's it. I really hope that you can use PlayPosit. I found it to be very effective in my class. It is helpful to tell Josh in advance the YouTube video that you want to use, so that way he can whitelist it. But if you have any questions how to use this tool, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a great rest of the day.